Nouns are the things in our world, but adjectives are the flavor. Today, we're learning how to describe anything in 2 minutes. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun. It tells us more about a person, place, or thing. Some adjectives share an opinion. You might say a movie is exciting, a person is kind, or a meal is delicious. Others describe physical traits. Is the building tall? Is the box heavy? Is the puppy tiny? Colors are adjectives, too. A green leaf, a yellow sun, or a black cat. They give us a clear picture in our minds. Here is the most important rule. In English, adjectives almost always come before the noun. We say the blue car, not the car blue. Keep the description first, and the object second. You can also use adjectives after the verb to be. For example, the sky is blue or the students are smart. You can even use more than one. A big, red ball. Just remember to use a comma if the adjectives are from the same category. Now it's your turn. What is your favorite food? Describe it using 2 adjectives in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Subscribe to the Language Hub online for more.